everybody, and welcome to the BOSH kitchen. Today is lining up to be a very good day. We have a Christmas burger on the menu. So we are off to the big Tesco, massive superstore in Kensington, which is a really posh area in West London, and we are after something very specific, the Beyond Burger. Onward! We have reached our destination. So we're making burgers and we need it to taste good, but we also need it to look good. Mackie D's, the red and yellow. They have that. I think this is going to be perfect for our burger. We get these messages all the time with people tagging us in their Instagram stories, and this lady here has said they've made the greatest Xmas sarnie ever. Well, we're about to make another wonderful Xmas sarnie, but this time it's going to be a burger. It's going to take this pre-done stuffing mix, fashion it into 2 patties, put it on tray back on, get the cheese on the burger, pop it back in the oven, bake for the final, and then we'll build the burger. Good morning, how was it?
Very good, thank you.
Yeah?
What are you making?
We've got our Christmas burger going on.
Do you mind if I eat all your chips?
But you can have half of them.
How good does that burger look? Proper Christmassy. This has been another day in the BOSH house. Downstairs we've got Joe from our publishers, and we've got Chris, the design company One Darnley Road, who are hopefully going to be working on our next book. Bash BOSH is coming next year. Because we're in a burger mode right now and the Christmas burger has gone, I'm going to order a Beyond Burger, and we're going to do a vegan burger, non-vegan taste test. We doubled up on this bad boy. Look at that. Okay, cool, let's do it. The taste test.
Okay, go for it, bro.
Wow.
It's so meaty, right? The textures.
The texture, everything, the colour, incredible.
This is like the Nokia 5110 of fake meat in 10s, 20s.
I'll say 10.
We're going to eat a double now. Look just how meaty that looks. So there you have it. This is BOSH TV. We make videos like this almost every day. So if you want to stay in touch with our recipes or our household, then hit subscribe.
And if you want us to cook anything specifically for you, to veganize for you, tell us in the comments below.
Or in fact, if you don't like the Beyond Burger, you do like the Beyond Burger or the Impossible Burger or fake meat, we love that debate. There we have it. Bish!
Bash!
BOSH!